How are you doing today, Sir Kim?
I'm good today. I'm glad to meet you. Glad.
I'm very glad to meet you as well, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, Mr. Kim, what would you like me to call you?
Kim or Dokyeon? Yeah. I don't have
Okay.
English name. Yeah. So
Okay. Yes, I might have trouble pronouncing the Kyon, so I might call you Mr. Kim.
yeah.
Is
Okay.
that
That's
okay,
okay.
sir? Okay,
Okay.
thank
Yeah.
you, Sir Kim. Anyway, what would you like for us to talk about today, Sir Kim? Would you like to use your book or have free talking?
Yeah. Actually, I usually do pre-talking with my teachers.
Okay.
But yeah, today I got the 3 time classes with my pre-talking book. So
Okay.
yeah.
So would you like to use it for now, our free talking book?
Mm, yes.
Okay, yes, sir. Then let's use it. What topic would you like to discuss?
Okay. Uh, Korean name? What is this? Korean name?
Korean name.
Unit 21, Korean name.
21. I think, the
Yeah, I
difference.
never, yeah, the reading a book, so I
Mm-hmm,
don't know
mm-hmm.
exactly what is the yeah, content is included. So,
Okay, let's
yeah,
find out, sir. Yeah.
okay.
Okay. I actually do not know too, so.
Name consisted in Korean name
Okay.
and
W-
composed.
we actually have a
Yeah, it's
yeah,
a
we
very
have a
difficult
reading
subject.
part.
Yeah.
But actually the questions are not that hard. Okay.
Mhm.
So for example, okay, the differences
What is the part of
of
the Eastern Asian system of names aside from Korea? I don't know. Yeah, the
me
error.
too.
So we can change the another subject. Yeah.
Okay, yes, sir. Then let's go to the. Okay, I think we have it here. Okay, yeah,
Okay, Unit 20, pollution.
20 pollution. Oh, this is a serious problem right now in your
Yeah,
country. Yes.
actually, yeah, we got
Oh.
some serious problem in the
Mhm. Mhm.
air pollution.
Right, right. Actually, it's up to you, sir, if you want to read this part or not, or we could just go ahead and talk about the questions.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay. What is this? One is one of the serious problems we are facing these days, aside from
Yeah,
coronavirus.
absolutely. They have the air pollution these
Uh-uh.
days. There is the serious the fine dust in our the atmosphere in Korea, here in
Mm-mm.
Korea.
Mm-mm.
So I'm very worrying about that because I never seen just like the situation
Mm-mm.
when I was young and until now. It's the first time,
Mm-mm.
yeah, seen this the serious air pollution these days.
Mm-mm.
So I'm very worrying about my kids and me,
Mm-mm.
our health. Yeah, it's terrible.
Right, right. The air pollution, I heard. Uh, what do you think is the cause of the very serious air pollution right now in Korea, sir?
Maybe it's the cost from China's
Mm-mm.
the
Mm-mm.
factory or their desert. The,
Mm-mm.
Actually, we had some the microdust from
Mm-mm.
the China from China.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
but now we they had have the fine dust also. And I
Mm-mm.
heard that the fine dust is more serious problem to our health.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
even the microdust is the not good, but the fine dust is the more the serious thing. Yeah,
Oh, so you mean to say, sir, that the microdust is a little bit different from the fine dust? I
yeah.
thought they are the same thing.
Oh, really? Because
I thought that
microdust is the maybe mm,
smaller.
no the bigger bigger than
Microdust is bigger than the
yeah
fine
fine
dust.
dust maybe
Mm,
I don't know exactly,
Okay.
but I heard that. Yeah.
Oh, oh, right. Good to know that, sir, because actually I do not know the difference.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm Googling it right now.
Yeah.
Microdust versus fine dust.
Uh-huh. You can find that, but I don't know
Ah,
exactly that my information is the exact information or not, but you can find on the web.
right, right. But thank you, sir. It made me a little bit curious about this because, well,
Uh-huh.
we do not have that big of a problem about this in our country.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
so
know.
I do not have enough information.
Mhm.
Anyway, let's go to the next one. What are the things that people are complaining about in Korea?
In Korea, yeah, that all the people have to wear the mask, yeah,
Mm-mm, mm-mm,
the preventing the some fine dust to into the our some
mm-mm,
mouth or the
mm-mm,
our breathing system, yeah, right? How to say this? I don't know, but
mm-mm,
yeah.
mm-mm,
Anyway, yeah, or yeah, the people the concerned about our health, yeah.
mm-mm,
And so
mm-mm,
they always complaining about the fine dust.
mm-mm,
We
mm-mm.
cannot see clearly um our real mountain also. Even
Oh
yeah,
my gosh.
sometimes we can see that, but yeah,
Uh, 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 uh.
usually these days we cannot clearly our very near mountain also. So
Oh my.
it's a
Do
very big problem. Yeah,
do you live in Seoul, sir?
yeah, I
Ah.
always our building is very the
Mm-mm,
high and maybe
mm-mm,
nine floor, yeah, 10 floors.
mm-mm,
So we can see that very far away from our building.
mm-mm,
But
mm-mm,
Namsan Tower or the 6030 Yuksan building also, but nowadays we can
mm-mm,
see that the building or mountains
mm-mm.
clearly. It's very
Oh my.
serious problem here in
Right,
Korea. Yeah.
right. Then it means that the dust particles is really very dense in
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah. Very,
area. Oh
yeah,
my.
very a lot. So we don't care. Yeah, when I was young, the micro
Mm-mm,
dust rate or fine dust rate, but we
mm-mm,
have
mm-mm.
to monitor the weather forecast program, and
Right, right, right.
even we use the weather apps
Mm-mm,
because
mm-mm.
if there is a lot of the fine dust, then we have to wear the mask to
Mm-mm,
prevent
mm-mm.
the breathing some bad things.
Well, do you think it would be recommended, especially for children, because they have lower immune system than
Yeah,
older people? Do you think, sir, that when the fine dust level is too high, classes should be canceled?
yeah, yeah. Sometimes I had seen the situation. Maybe I remember there is the 2 time or 3 times canceled classes.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow,
the
due to fine dust.
yeah
My. Well, when was the last time you have seen the stars?
stars. Yeah, in
Yeah,
the
sir.
in
Yeah, because of the fine dust, also we cannot see the
yeah
sky,
that's
right?
right. That's right. Yeah,
Oh
but
my.
even this the holiday is very our very big holiday in Korea.
Mm-mm.
설날.
Salal.
Yeah, that time we usually see the sky for the moon or stars. But this year, maybe yesterday is our the holiday. We
Mm-mm.
couldn't get to see the stars
Oh my.
because of the fine dust. Especially we don't have the fine dust or yellow dust or micro
Mm-mm.
dust in the winter season.
Mm-mm.
But now winter season, but
Mm-mm.
temperature is not the cold. It's very weird, but yeah. So we don't get the snowboarding. Yeah,
Right,
these days
right.
also there is a lot of the weather changing. Yeah,
Change.
yeah.
Right, right.
Temperature is also very higher than another years, so
Yes,
I
sir.
think it's the one reason to the bring the fine dust from the China.
China, yeah,
Yeah,
because of the airflow.
yeah. Windy. Yeah,
Mm.
airflow, windy is the different direction. Yeah,
Right,
usual
right.
years.
Oh my. Well, I hope that because there are a lot of things happening in China right
Hmm.
now.
Yeah,
I
right.
hope that let's they stick with at least find us problem, and I
Yeah,
hope that you will not be affected with the other problems like the coronavirus and the African swine fever.
yeah.
There are so many things happening in that country right now, and I hope that your country will be safe from it.
Hmm.
Mm-mm. Anyway, thank you, sir, for that. Let's talk about other kinds of pollution in general. Okay,
Hmm.
why can we consider pollution responsible for the extinction of animals and plants?
Mm. Ah,
Do you think it is
yeah,
the cause?
because we don't, we cannot live without the animals and plants. Yeah,
Mm-hmm,
absolutely.
mm-hmm.
So, if we, yeah, um, not prevent this air pollution or some pollution,
Right,
then
sir.
maybe, yeah, the all the animals and the plant is the disappear, yeah, in
Right.
here in, yeah, the world, yeah, Earth.
Mm-mm-mm.
So now problem is that we use a lot of plastic, yeah, containers, and
Right, right.
yeah, the some vinyl bag also.
Mm-mm-mm.
Yeah,
Mm-mm-mm.
so if we, yeah, remain this the situation, maybe, yeah,
Mm.
uh, very near future, all the animals and the, yeah, plant is that, yeah, disappear. I think
Mm.
so.
That's true.
Yeah, we have to, yeah, keep the, yeah, the Earth's environment. Yeah,
Mm-mm-mm.
we have to, yeah, reduce the using of the, some plastic containers or some,
Right,
yeah,
right.
vinyl bags for our, yeah, the labels, because the,
Right,
yeah,
right.
not even, yeah, the animal and the plant, yeah, it's the, yeah, absolutely danger for, yeah, the human beings.
Yes, for us as well, right?
Yeah,
But I actually found a little bit of I don't know if it's a funny video or not. Yeah, related to what you said, plastic, right?
yeah,
Yeah, plastic and other vinyl and non biodegradable products. So plastics are ending up in the ocean,
yeah,
and
yeah,
it's making the ocean polluted,
yeah.
right? In order to solve that problem, in order not to use more plastic,
Mhm.
we need to use more organic materials like
uh,
paper,
People.
right? Paper,
Yeah,
paper,
yeah, paper,
yeah,
yeah,
paper,
yeah.
and wood, right?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
But if we are going to use paper, we
Hmm.
need to cut more trees.
Yeah, it's, yeah, some dilemma, yeah, that's right, yeah.
Right. So what do you think, sir? Should we do? Cut
Mm,
more trees to save the ocean, or
uh-huh.
use more plastic to protect the trees?
We have to plant the more wood, and then, yeah, if the, yeah, the some consume, and yeah, the
Mm-hmm.
planting is the
Uh-huh.
equal, maybe, yeah, the wood or the some, yeah, anyway, yeah, wood is still,
Yep.
yeah, same, yeah, spend
Right.
and the plant, yeah, the amount is the equal, then,
Right.
maybe, yeah, there
Right.
is no problem, but anyway, it's very, yeah, the serious dilemma.
Right. I was laughing at that. I saw it in a Facebook ad. It said,
Uh,
"Cut more trees, save the ocean."
uh-huh.
If we cut more trees, then forest, the land animals will suffer.
Uh-huh.
Of
Yeah.
course, the ocean would be a little bit better, right? So I was
Yeah.
thinking,
Yeah.
then what are we going to do?
And especially in Brazil, Brazil,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah,
Yes.
there is a lot of cutting of the woods. Yeah, that is a very big
Mm-mm-mm.
problem now. So
Right,
the
right.
worldwide the some yeah the president yeah the push the Brazil president now. Yeah,
Mm-hmm,
yeah,
mm-mm.
you don't yeah have to keep the cut the wood yeah much more than. But
Right,
yeah,
right,
there yeah people in Brazil yeah never followed their Brazil yeah,
right.
president order because they have to live with yeah that cutting yeah wood. Yeah, that's a problem maybe.
That's right, that's right. And the problem with using wood and using trees is that it takes time.
Yeah, yeah, growing time
Yeah.
is very yeah,
Yes,
long.
sir.
Yeah,
Mm. And we need those things every day. With the growing population, we need it more and more, right?
mm,
So we cannot wait for the trees to actually grow up. As
yeah,
you have mentioned, we need to plant. Of course, yes, we need to plant, but it would take time.
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, so what are we going to do? Oh my.
Actually, there is some yeah time waiting the yeah growing the yeah the plant the wood yeah trees.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Right,
that's a
right.
problem. Yeah, so now we yeah the reduce the or using the plastic yeah the material. Then we have to use
Mm-mm-mm.
that yeah the sub yeah change it to another yeah product. So
Products,
that is
right,
maybe
right,
yeah
right.
paper and wood yeah product. Mm.
Right. Or we should find more ways to recycle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Recycle, especially the plastic, because
yeah,
we cannot convert totally to organic products because our nature would suffer as well,
yeah,
right?
yeah. That's right. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I
Po-
think even humans, we are already facing extinction if this is not solved.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, anyway, thank you, sir. You are right. This is a little bit worrisome.
Mhm.
Okay. Anyway, let's see the other questions. We might have a more positive question in here.
Okay, okay.
Oh no, it's not positive. Well, sir.
Oh,
Yeah. I think we have answered these questions already in one way
yeah.
or another. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How about this? What are your own ways of preventing pollution, sir? You and your family, what are you doing to?
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's a very simple way to reduce the plastic materials.
Mhm, mhm,
So the actually here in Korea we yeah in the rule now just
mhm,
like for example in Starbucks they don't
mhm.
use the plastic straws
Yes.
and yeah the plastic cup.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
me and my family also do not use the some plastic material or containers at home.
Mhm. Oh,
Mm.
that's
Yeah, we
very
use
good. Yeah.
always the glass the cup
Mhm, mhm,
and
mhm.
yeah there's some steel chopstick.
Mhm, mhm.
Even yeah the someone delivered food that brings the
Mhm.
some um wood chopstick
Mhm,
or
mhm.
plastic chopstick. Yeah, we do not use that. Yeah.
Right, right. Oh, yes, I think we should think of using more, well, not wood, but at least bamboo.
Yeah. I'm trying.
Bamboo materials, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
because bamboo materials, bamboo trees grow a little bit faster than regular
Yeah,
trees.
yeah, yeah. Then
Right.
we yeah can make the chopstick or some yeah containers using
Right.
bamboo
It is
trees. Yeah.
right. Oh, and there is is actually, I do not know why they are not doing it, but there is a way to use
Hmm.
grass into paper.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Actually,
uh,
the origin of paper
uh-huh.
is from grass. The word
Oh,
paper itself is from the word papyrus.
uh-huh. Yeah, I know.
Papyrus,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
This is a grass. This is a reed in Egypt.
Oh,
They it was the first paper.
uh-huh.
So if we could develop more technology to convert grass into paper, then at least I think we would be safer from cutting the trees.
Ah, yeah, the broken glasses. Yeah, right?
Right,
Yeah,
sir.
if you can use some broken glasses.
It's
Ah, yeah,
grass,
yeah. Ah,
grass,
oh,
grass,
grass. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah,
grass.
yeah, yeah.
Right,
Okay,
grass,
okay, okay.
grass.
Uh-huh.
What?
Oh,
But glasses
because grass,
also.
yeah, also very, yeah, it grows very quickly. Yeah.
Right, right.
Mm,
Yeah, and there are a lot of places with so much grass. Grass is their problem. If we could convert this to paper, then
mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yeah, it's
oh,
yeah very good idea. If yeah there is some way to change the grass to the paper, maybe
right.
it's very great. Yeah, the thinking.
Actually, actually, there is already a way. It's just that I do not know why people or companies are not using it. Maybe it's more expensive.
Maybe yeah, because they have to yeah gather the all grasses.
Right, sure, yeah. Oh, but they are still doing that with trees. Cutting down the trees is still the same. It takes labor.
Maybe when there is some yeah another process yeah to
Probably.
convert
Yeah,
to the paper yeah
I think so.
yeah
Yeah.
yeah.
That is a very good research.
Yeah, yes, right.
Well,
Yeah.
well, anyway, let's talk about cars instead. Also, sir, since they are also a very big factor in contributing to the air pollution, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. What do you think about electric cars?
Oh, yeah. Electric car is very good way to yeah save our yeah air, good air.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So nowadays the older country yeah, have to focus the some electric cars battery battery.
Mm.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because the electric cars there is some big yeah the amount of the battery for the using very yeah the long distance
Mm-hmm.
yeah but now the battery the technology is not yeah the good to remain the long yeah the distance so
Mm-hmm.
I think electric car is the maybe yeah will be change our yeah situation
Right,
yes
right. I think, yeah, you're right. The battery life is not enough for now for traveling long distance.
oh okay
So, a solution probably for that would be, well, we have gas stations, right?
mm-hmm, that's right.
Then there should be more charging stations for cars.
Yeah. Now, the really, yeah, the becoming the charging station is the growing and the more and
Mm,
more now. And
right, right.
sometimes they give the electricity for
Mm.
free nowadays here in Korea. But
Oh.
maybe the electric car is more increased.
Mm-hmm,
Then
mm-hmm.
maybe they yeah will pay the yeah, fee for the charging.
Oh, if you want to enter into business, sir, if you become a businessman, maybe that could be,
Yeah, maybe
you
I'll
will,
get the very big money yeah,
what
for
is
that. Yeah,
right? Because the richest people in the world before their main product was petroleum, right?
yeah, that's
Right.
right.
But
Yeah,
since the next generation of cars would be electric cars, you should start building charging stations.
yeah. At first time we the offer the for free, and then we get the yeah the, a lot of money after that.
Right,
all the
right,
car is changed to the electric car, that time is
right.
the yeah, the
Yeah.
time to earn the money.
And I think that would be about 10 to 15, 10 to 20 years from now, we would have a majority of electric cars.
Yeah, I
So,
agree. Yeah.
yeah, if you want to make an investment now, sir, start building your own company around charging stations.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good idea. Yeah.
Anyway, thank you so
And
much, sir.
you have to
Yeah.
join this business.
Right, right, yeah. I will invest also.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you so much, Sir Kim, for a very fun class, a very interactive class. Unfortunately, our time is over, so I have to say
Okay.
goodbye. Yes.
Yeah.
Do
Thank you
you
for
have
your teaching.
questions? Right, sir. Anyway, do you have questions, sir, for our
Oh, what time
participants?
is you do you usually work? Yeah.
For weekends, I usually start from 3 to 12, but on weekdays, I only start about 6 to 12, sir.
6 to 12 in the
Mm.
morning?
In the afternoon, yeah. In
In
the
the
evenings.
afternoon?
Yes,
Oh, no,
6.
I can find you, yeah, because you are very, yeah, famous, yeah,
Not
teacher. I think
really.
so. Yeah.
Yeah. But it's because I only work for a short time. That's why you cannot find me. I only work for 6 hours, sir. Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay,
Anyway, thank you so much, Sir Kim. Have a
okay,
wonderful day and Happy New Year.
okay.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
You too, sir.